As soon as we start to push, we just go, how did he get there? It's a mystery upon mysteries. See? Hey. The more subtle you are, the more classy you are, the more you don't wake them up. And bang, I don't know how I got thrown out. You don't want to wake them up. So just connect, so it touches 2 points or whatever, I just change. You see, I'm actually doing something, but not much. So if he chose to change, I always wait. Or you go, wait. Or we do the chai. These bushes here, for example. Right. Here, Joe. We got pong. Song. So from here, I'm already doing number 2. See? Okay. Hey. Change coordinate file. Move the qua.